Welcome to the Storyteller's Path. Let's learn English together.
Maria, I'm so sorry I'm late. The traffic was unbelievable.
Hey, Leo. No worries at all. I just got here myself. I was just trying to figure out our route.
No worries. That's a nice way to say no problem. I'm always afraid people will be angry when I'm running late.
Not at all. It happens. So, I was looking at the trail map. There are 3 different paths. The easy one goes around the lake, the medium one goes up to the lookout point, and the hard one goes all the way to the waterfall.
A waterfall? That sounds amazing. But is it too difficult?
The map says it's a bit of a climb, but I think we can handle it. We can just take our time. What do you think? Are you up for a challenge?
Are you up for it? That means, do you want to do it, right?
Exactly.
Then yes, absolutely. A waterfall sounds much more exciting than a lake. Let's do it.
Great. I brought some water and snacks for us. They're in my backpack.
You're always so prepared. I just brought my phone.
Well, let's get going then. The trail starts just over here.
Wow, it's so peaceful out here. I can't believe we were in the middle of the noisy city just an hour ago.
I know, right? It feels like a different world. This is exactly what I needed. I've been feeling so burnt out from work lately.
Burnt out? What does that mean?
It's a feeling of being completely exhausted and overwhelmed by work or stress, like a candle that has no more wax to burn.
That is the perfect description for how I feel. I am definitely burnt out.
Well, today is all about relaxing and unwinding. No work talk allowed.
Unwinding. I like that word. It's like you're a tightly wound clock, and now you are slowly loosening up.
That's a great way to think about it. So, how are you finding the path? Is the pace okay?
The pace is perfect. It's a gentle slope so far. This is a piece of cake.
Smiling. Famous last words, Leo. The map showed a very steep section coming up soon.
A piece of cake? Did I use that correctly? I read it in a book.
You did. It means very easy. Just don't be surprised if this piece of cake gets a little harder to eat. Okay, so this is the steep part I was talking about. Definitely not a piece of cake anymore.
You can say that again. My legs are on fire.
My legs are on fire. That's a very descriptive way to say they hurt from exercise. I feel the same way. Do you want to take a breather?
Yes, please. Take a breather? That means take a short rest, right?
You got it. Let's stop by this big rock for a minute.
I think I underestimated this hike. I'm not as in shape as I thought I was.
Don't be so hard on yourself. This is a tough climb for anyone. We're making good time. The main thing is to just keep going, one step at a time.
You're right. I'm not a quitter. I'm determined to see that waterfall.
That's the spirit. Okay, I think I've caught my breath. Ready to keep moving?
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's do this. Whoa! Maria, look at that. It's breathtaking.
We made it. I told you it would be worth it.
Worth it is an understatement. This is incredible. I'm so glad we didn't give up.
Let's get closer.
This feels amazing after that long walk. I could sit here all day.
Me too. It was a good call to come here.
A good call?
It means a good decision. Choosing to do the hard trail was a good call.
It definitely was. Hey, let's take a selfie to remember this moment.
Great idea. Come on, squeeze in. Perfect. Now, are you hungry? I know I'm starving.
I'm beyond starving. My stomach has been growling for the last half hour.
Okay, let's break out those snacks.
This is the best sandwich I have ever tasted.
It's probably because you're so hungry. Everything tastes better after a long hike.
True. So, do we go back the same way we came?
There's actually a loop trail. It's a bit longer, but it's all downhill and goes along the river. It should be a lot easier.
All downhill sounds like music to my ears. Let's do the loop trail.
Sounds good. We should probably pack up and get going in about 10 minutes, just to make sure we have plenty of daylight.
Good thinking. We don't want to get caught out here in the dark. That would be a nightmare.
Agreed. Just let me know when you're good to go.
I'm pretty much ready now. This has been an amazing day so far. Thanks for suggesting it.
Of course. I'm having a great time too. It's nice to get away from it all with a friend.
We did it! I can't believe how tired I am. I think I'm completely wiped out.
Me too. Wiped out is the perfect term. I feel like I could sleep for a week, but it's a good kind of tired.
For sure. Well, my car is just over here. Thank you again, Maria, for everything. For planning the hike, for the snacks, for the great conversation.
I had a wonderful time, Leo. I'm glad we finally made it happen.
We definitely need to do something like this again soon.
I'd love that. Now get home safe, okay? Text me when you get in so I know you're okay.
You too. Drive safely. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye, Leo.
Bye, Maria.
Hello?
Hi, Maria. It's Leo. Is now a good time to talk?
Hey, Leo. Yeah, it's a perfect time. I was just making dinner. How are you feeling today? Can you walk?
Barely. My legs are so sore. I knew I was out of shape, but this is a whole new level.
I know what you mean. I'm walking like a robot today. But it's a reminder of the great time we had.
Absolutely. I was just calling to see if you were free next weekend. I was thinking we could do something a little less strenuous.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. What did you have in mind?
There's a new art exhibit downtown that I've been wanting to see. After that, we could grab dinner. My treat, to thank you properly for the hike.
Leo, you don't have to do that.
I insist. So, what do you say?
I say yes. That sounds lovely. I'd really enjoy that.
Great. It's a date then. I'll text you during the week and we can sort out the details.
Sounds like a plan. Talk to you then.
Okay. Have a good evening, Maria.
You too, Leo. Bye.